Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today I'm making quick and cheesy bread pizza bites, crispy outside, soft inside, and full of pizza flavors. A perfect snack you can make in minutes at home. Let's start the recipe. Take bread slice, cut into small pieces. Use lightly dry bread for better shape. And roll into thin slice. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoon capsicum, 2 tablespoon corn, 2 tablespoon tomato, and 1 tablespoon onion, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now add 2 tablespoon pizza sauce and 2 tablespoon mozzarella cheese. Mix everything well. Chop vegetables finely for even cooking. Grease oil in an appe pan. Place the small bread pieces inside. Spread pizza sauce. Spread the vegetable mixture. Mozzarella cheese on top. And sprinkle oregano and chili flakes. Added vegetable boosts nutrition. Control cheese, keep it balanced. Less oil makes it lighter to digest. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Always cook on low heat for melting cheese. Bread pizza is a quick alternative to traditional pizza. Appe pans cook snacks evenly with less oil. Bite-sized snacks are perfect for kids. Pizza flavors work well with simple bread. Serve hot and enjoy these mini pizza bites. Homemade snacks are cleaner than store-bought. Your bread pizza bites are ready, crispy, cheesy, and delicious. Perfect for evening snacks or quick cravings. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy snack ideas.